What's going on, guys? It's Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in Carrollwood, Florida. We're here for a pool deck and pool screen cleaning. I got this referral from a customer three doors down. I've done actually next door, right next door. I thought it was 3 doors down. I can't see the house from here. We've done their house like 3 or 4 times. They're Steelers fans. You already know it's all about them Ravens. But we're gonna be doing this lady's back area here, get it looking good. It hasn't been done in a while. So she got some liking on the screens. Special request from her. She got this nice little shaded area back here with the woods. She loves nature and is worried about the butterflies back here. So we're gonna try to minimize spraying so much out this way for the overspray. We're gonna more so focus on spraying from outside in on the screens. Of course, we'll clean the top of the frame. It probably will be a little bit of overspray anyway. I mean, it's hard to control it, but we're gonna try not to spray outward, going towards the her little spot back here. So I got the one with me. We got 2 jobs today, back to back. Y'all stay tuned. Let's start on this one here and show you what it looks like. So this is the deck here. You guys can see how it looks, and I can already tell you guys that once we clean this deck, underneath it's not gonna look great because the algae has already eaten up the coating. You can see spots where it's got like bare concrete. They said they were gonna get it resurfaced some years ago. They haven't gotten to it, so therefore it's not gonna look perfectly white. We're gonna clean in here also. This part is just regular concrete. We'll surface clean that. We will pre-treat this deck here because you guys can see how bad it is. I'll show you guys the cage. Like I say, it has a lot of lichen. You can see all these little mushrooms growing. Look at this cage. Look at this one here. It's everywhere. Look at this bottom screen. Look at that bottom screen. This side's the worst. I mean, it looks like it hasn't been done in forever. Look at this on the screens, on the frame. We're probably gonna spray that with a soft wash system instead of the Downstream, just to get that off, because that lichen usually don't come off with Downstream. And we'll hit the deck too with the same pre-treatment before we surface clean it. All right, let's get going and get the show on the road, y'all. Like I say, guys, we're gonna pre-treat the deck. Some of it is already coming off already from when we spray from the outside. And let me move these. Hold on. right here is the one that got sprayed from when we were spraying the outside in. You guys can see the algae is already coming off easy. Helps us out a lot. This lichen should fall off pretty easy as well. We're gonna give it some dwell time before we rinse it off. Look at this one here, how white the screen looks. May have to even post treat this deck because it's so bad. We're moving along. Just got this side done. Starting on the deck on going this way. Let the one rinse this side before I go over here because I don't want to get wet. It's coming off. Yeah, whatever we can't get from the outside, when we rinse inside, we'll get it from the inside. So you ain't got to fight with it too long. I'll clean up to this section here. So like I said, once he gets to this side of the cage, I'll go ahead and start getting this other area done. And I'll start rinsing inside too, because it's probably gonna take a little while working on this lichen over here on this side. Alright, I've rinsed the deck. I didn't want that water to settle down and you know, get it all dirty again. I'm gonna start rinsing from the inside where the one has already rinsed the outside. A question that I get asked all the time is, you know, does stuff get in the pool when you clean? What happens? Well, yes, stuff does get in the pool. It's impossible to clean and keep everything out of the pool. There's so many gallons of water, of chlorinated water in here. It's not gonna be, you know, a problem. It may look a little murky sometimes, but it'll clean up. And they got a pool pump, the vacuum, that it will vacuum that up, whatever gets in there. Most of my customers, like this one here, they have the pool company coming later today or tomorrow to clean the pool. So everything will be perfect. But we try to keep it clean as possible. As you guys can see, this, you know, it doesn't look bad at all. But stuff does get in there. You know, if I have a customer that's adamant about stuff getting in the pool, I just want to do the job. You don't have to do every single job, guys. If it's it doesn't make sense, it's gonna be a headache. You know, just pass up on it. You know, I don't have to take every job. So, you know, I accommodate sometimes, you know, as best as I can. But some stuff I just, you know, it's out of my control. And you know, I'd rather just pass up on it and go to another job and deal with it. So I'm gonna have the one rinse now, get all this stuff here that's already dead, and I think we should be pretty good to go. It's gonna look real good. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, my pressure washer had to be shut down because the water flow is so bad we can't run both pressure washers. We even got it double feeding with 2 spigots, and the water flow on the property is kind of bad, so we had to shut one down. The one is almost done rinsing out here. We're both using the M5 twist today to rinse all this stuff off. It's a low pressure nozzle. It looks like it's a lot of pressure, but it's not. It's just a lot of flow. So the one's gonna finish up out here, rinse this up. I think he got to rinse a couple of the ones on the inside facing this way, because I've already done the rest of the cage and the pool deck already. So I'm gonna go wrap up my hose for the 12, get it out the way, and then let the one finish up back here. All right, you guys, we're all finished here. This is the pool deck. Thing look pretty new to me. Best it's gonna be. And you can see right through the cage, all that algae is gone. This is what we want. No more lichen. Yes, sir. Thing was tedious, man. Tedious, but we got it done. What do you guys think? This is the other side here. Awesome job. We picked up an extra job for the day too, so now we got 3. So we're gonna pack up and we'll see you guys when we get there. We're heading to Land O'Lakes. All right, second stop. Right now we're in Land O'Lakes for a pool cage, pool deck cleaning. First time here. Pretty dirty. We're gonna get it clean. That's all we do. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna start out here, show you guys the frame, how it looks. See all that algae sitting on there. I'm gonna do the outside, the one's gonna do the inside. We're not gonna unlock this for me, please. We're not gonna surface clean this deck. We're just gonna pre-treat it and then rinse it off with the gun. You guys can see here, like I said, a lot of algae build up on this one here. Looking pretty dirty. A lot of greenery. See right on this one too. And all across the top. Downstream is gonna be good enough for this one. So we're gonna downstream our SH, which is chlorine. And then we'll give it a good rinse and everything will be nice and white when we're done. Y'all stay tuned, we'll be right back. did be some dwell time to kill all the stuff that's on here. It's coming off easy already. Can't rush it, can't rush it. Even though it's melting off like butter, can't rush the process. See the top section's already coming out clean. Coming out clean, 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 baby. We'll hit this deck as well. Like I said, we're not gonna put the surface cleaner on this deck. All right, we are wrapped up, finished here. Here's the cage. You see, nice and clean. The bottom beams cleaned up. Looks so much brighter out here. Deck is cleaned up as well. The third job we were gonna have called and canceled because they're not gonna be able to make it home to let us in the gate. So we had to reschedule that, but this one here is good to go. Y'all, that's it for today. Like I said, last guy rescheduled.